Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making homemade sausage. Do you like sausage? How often do you eat or how much do you eat? I put pan-fried sausage in my son's bento box almost every day. It has been said that processed meat is harmful for your health. So I have purchased uncured sausage for a long time. But when I read this book, I realized how processed meat might affect to our life expectancy. I have decided I will not buy sausages or any processed meat, uncured or not, anymore, but I should make it by myself for my son because he loves it. Let's get started. First, let's make chicken sausage. I used to buy this product seasoned with lemon and herbs. Let's recreate it at home. Today I use ground chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh instead. The first thing to do is grate just outside the lemon peel, otherwise it tastes bitter. Add in 1% of salt of the weight, half a teaspoon of sugar to enhance the flavor, garlic powder, basil, onion powder, and white pepper. Mix well until binding together. Transfer to a small bowl and remove the air inside. Cover with a plastic wrap and let it sit at least few hours to overnight in the fridge. Next, let's make pork sausages. Add 1% of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and the spices of your choice. My choice is sage, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, nutmeg, and black pepper. Mix until binding together. Transfer to a small bowl and cover with a piece of plastic wrap. Let it sit at least few hours to overnight. The next day, shape into a sausage and cook. Take out about 1/8 of the filling. It's going to be 40 to 50 grams. Shape into a cylinder and then hold both sides and rotate the sausage to make a perfect shape. Chicken filling is softer than pork, so you want to handle it gently. You can make a larger sausage if you want. Now let's cook the sausage in the microwave. Usually I don't like to cook meat in the microwave because it always overcooked and end up rubbery texture. But today I want that texture. Cook 2 minutes on 800 watt. Flip it over and change the position to cook evenly. Cook 2 to 3 minutes more until fully cooked. Take out and let it cool to room temperature and then put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze. It will keep well up to a month. Here is how to cook. Take out from the freezer and reheat in the microwave for a 1 minute on 800 watt. Pan fry until browned or until it's fragrant. It looks like breakfast, but this is my lunch today. I like my sunny side up with a salt and pepper and a little bit of paprika. The pork sausage is so fragrant and the aroma from the herb is so nice. And the texture is bouncy and a little bit firm to chew. It's just what I want. The lemon peel makes the chicken sausage so aromatic and flavorful. Make your delicious homemade sausage. It's good for your health and also you can save money. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!